This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Fiesta. It has a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, an independent rear suspension, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford's pre-owned certification includes a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Gordy Boucher of West Bend is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3021 West Washington Street in West Bend.